Ever wondered what Slack's go-to-market was? How did Ramp get to $100 million ARR in the first 2 years of business? In this episode, we will discuss what a go-to-market strategy is, 8 ways how to create one, and at the end, I share my 3 favorite GTM strategies which we see being super effective right now. We hear the term product-led growth a lot. And yes, Slack and Figma saw great successes using that self-serve approach. There are dozens of GTM strategies out there, so it's key to understand that PLG is not the only way. A recent overview of go-to-market strategies by category surfers showed some interesting examples. Ramp gave away software for free and then monetized the customer with another product. They reached $100 million ARR in 2 years, making it the fintech and the SaaS company which reached that number the fastest in history. Building a compound startup the way Rippling and Deal did it in the HR tech world is another way to go to the market. Other examples include teaming up with a lot of agencies like HubSpot did in the sales and CRM space, and how Klaviyo did it in the email marketing space. Lots of go-to-market strategies out there. More importantly, while you can start with one channel which works well for you, maybe GTM stacking is the solution. Intro. What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alexej and I help SaaS founders scale. The topic of GTM strategies is super close to my heart. As an investor in multiple SaaS businesses and having looked at more than 500 tech businesses, this topic is what makes or breaks your business. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I drop an episode once a week with insights from companies we work with, venture-backed, private equity-owned, or bootstrapped SaaS businesses all around the world. We work with companies backed by YC, Sequoia, Carlyle, Lightspeed Ventures, Northzone, and many other top investors out there. In this episode, I'm going to explain what a go-to-market strategy is, 8 ways how to create one, and at the end, I tell you my favorite 3 GTM strategies for SaaS businesses. If you're excited to dive into the first strategy, go ahead and press that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now, first off, let's talk about why a go-to-market strategy is such a big deal. Imagine you got the groundbreaking product or service and it's innovative, it's sleek, and it's ready to change the game. But here's the kicker. No matter how revolutionary your product is, it won't sell itself. It's one of the top mistakes founders make. Now, defining a GTM strategy sounds pretty straightforward, right? It's a comprehensive plan that outlines how a company will reach its target customers and achieve a competitive advantage. The essence of a go-to-market strategy boils down to 3 fundamental questions that you need to answer. Where to play, what to sell, and how to engage. Let's tackle these one by one. First up, where to play. This is all about identifying a playground, the market where your product fits like a glove. But it's just about picking the market. It's about understanding it inside out. Who are the players? What are the rules? And most importantly, who are you playing for your target market and ideal customer profile? This is where you get laser focus on who your product is for and why they can't live without it. Next, we have what to sell. This isn't just listing the features of your product or service, it's about defining its unique value proposition. What makes your product stand out from the crowd? Why should customers choose you over the competition? Lastly, how to engage. You've got your market, you've got your product's unique value. Now, how do you get the word out? This is where you choose your weapons, be it digital marketing, social media, direct sales, or any combination of channels that will connect with your audience. So let's discuss 8 ways how to create a go-to-market strategy. Number 1, segment your market with precision. Precision in market segmentation is foundational for aligning your product with the specific needs, behaviors, and characteristics of your target audience. Validating your business idea through a waitlist is a strategic move to ensure there is demand for your product. An example is a B2B SaaS company specializing in project management software. They might segment the market by industry, so software or marketing agencies, and company size, SMBs or enterprise. Tailored marketing strategies and product features can be developed to address the unique challenges of each segment, enhancing customer acquisition and satisfaction. If you're marketing to everybody, you're marketing to nobody. Seth Godin, one of the best-selling authors on the marketing topic. On position number 2 of how to create a GTM, craft a unique value proposition. A UVP should clearly articulate the unique benefits and solutions your SaaS product offers. It's about distinguishing your product in a crowded market by weaving in its unique features and benefits, ensuring it resonates deeply with your segmented market. A really famous quote on this is, make your product easier to buy than your competition, or you will find your customers buying from them, not you. And that's what Mark Cuban said. Now, if you learned something from that video already, and if you're still watching this, and chances are you are, which is amazing, please drop a yes into the comments. Now, in position number 3, develop a multi-channel engagement strategy. A multi-channel engagement strategy encompasses identifying and utilizing a mix of digital and traditional channels that your target audience looks at, ensuring a holistic approach to engage with them. This strategy includes early and frequent engagement across channels to refine your product based on feedback and enhance your overall engagement strategy. Number 4, leverage competitive insights for positioning. Utilize competitive analysis to identify market gaps and strategically position your product. This involves leveraging insights for strategic positioning and deciding between product-led versus sales-led approaches based on your market's preferences and competitive advantages. It's about finding gaps in the market and positioning your product as either a premium or cost-effective solution. We're through 4. Now let's move on to the 5th point. Implement an agile go-to-market plan. An agile go-to-market plan emphasizes rapid iteration and adaptation based on market feedback and changing conditions. It includes building an engaged audience from the start through content marketing, social media, and community building, even before your product is fully developed. A SaaS tool for digital marketeers can quickly pivot its features based on user feedback, on analytics, and reporting capabilities. Now, on position number 6, prioritize customer success and retention. Focusing on customer success and retention involves strategies for ensuring customer satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy, often overlooked in traditional go-to-market plans. An example is offering personalized onboarding sessions for a complex B2B SaaS product, which significantly improves customer satisfaction and retention. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning, a quote from Bill Gates. On position number 7, optimize your pricing model. Optimizing your pricing model involves aligning your pricing strategy with the value your product delivers, considering innovative pricing strategies that scale with customer usage and success. This core component of your go-to-market strategy should reflect customer value perception and market demand, potentially including subscription models, freemium strategies, or dynamic pricing. An example is ClassPass, a SaaS platform connecting users with various fitness classes and wellness services. They utilize data on user engagement and class preferences to offer flexible membership plans. By analyzing user activity and feedback, ClassPass introduces tiered subscription options that allow users to customize their fitness journey, ranging from basic access with limited number of classes per month to premium memberships with unlimited classes, special wellness experiences, and guest passes. Now, before I cover my last point, please hit that like button. So, on position number 8, foster a data-driven culture. Fostering a data-driven culture within your organization means decisions are made based on data insights rather than intuition. This involves actively testing growth channels and activities to identify what works best for your product, using data to focus your efforts on high-impact strategies. Additionally, invest in tools and training to empower your team to effectively collect, analyze, and act on data. Drawing inspiration from Spotify's mastery in using data to craft personalized playlists, we are reminded of the power of historical success stories in shaping our go-to-market strategies. If you're looking to scale your SaaS business further, don't miss our comprehensive guide on the top 10 growth strategies for your SaaS business. The link is below. Now, in the last 4 years, we've worked with more than 60 category-leading businesses, won multiple awards, and established ourselves as one of the leading SaaS growth agencies in the UK and the US. We had the chance to observe a lot of different go-to-market strategies. So here are my top 3. Personal network outreach for your first 10 customers. Leveraging a personal network can be a goldmine for securing those crucial first customers. It's about tapping into the relationships you've built over the years and presenting your solution to solve real problems they face. It's personal and direct, making it easier to get honest feedback and early adopters on board. On number 2, it's LinkedIn marketing, content posts, and outreach strategy. LinkedIn stands out as a powerhouse for B2B engagement. Through strategic content posts that add value and personalized outreach, or in mails, you can significantly increase your visibility and credibility. LinkedIn's professional environment is perfect for B2B SaaS, allowing targeted outreach and content sharing that resonates with your ideal customer profile. And my third most favorite go-to-market strategy is webinars combined with LinkedIn ads for maximum engagement. Hosting webinars on topics that matter to your target audience, combined with running LinkedIn ads to promote them, and then also retargeting them on LinkedIn again. That creates a powerful funnel for lead generation and engagement. Webinars provide value and establish your authority, while LinkedIn ads give you that funnel to get a big audience. Feeling overwhelmed by the range of go-to-market strategies and the steps you need to take? Wondering how to kickstart your journey or elevate your current efforts? You're not alone. And the good news is, you don't have to navigate this complex landscape by yourself. NUOPTIMA is one of the leading SaaS growth agencies out there. Book a call with us and we can help you review your go-to-market options. Imagine having a dedicated partner to help you sift through these options, pinpointing the perfect starting point based on the thorough analysis of your competitors and market landscape. As an investor, I thought I knew everything and I thought we were the smartest guys in the room. But it's only after becoming a founder myself, raising capital, scaling businesses, and working with so many other founders that I really understood how to best launch a product in the market. Having worked with so many SaaS businesses, amazing founders, I got a great insight into what strategies work and what strategies might not be the right fit for you. Let's join forces to transform these strategies from concepts into concrete results. Just pick a time and date from the link in the description. I drop an episode like this with strategies and concepts for your tech business once a week. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you get notified every single time I release an episode. If you have a fellow founder, if you have a team member, if you're part of a Slack group, Telegram, or WhatsApp group with other founders that could get value from this video, please share this video with them. I want to help as many SaaS founders as possible to scale their business. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm Alexej, and I will see you in the next episode.